Привет, hello and bonjour, and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm so excited to do yet another Friends palette. This is part of the third drop with Makeup Revolution. So of course they had the 3 boy palettes, which is in my last palette review video. Then we have the I'll Be There For You palette, which is a Forever Flawless palette. Forever Flawless is just a line within Makeup Revolution, and they have palettes like this. It's always 18 pans, it's a metallic little case, and it's honestly some of my favorite makeup from Makeup Revolution. This is obviously a very neutral palette, so we're going to be going neutral today. There is also the We Were on a Break palette by Monica. It's a very pastel bright one, but mine came quite damaged, so I'm waiting on my replacement to film that one, but that'll be up soon. But yeah, typically I do 3 looks with 18 pan palettes. However, given the nature of this one and that it's quite neutral, I'm just gonna do 2. I think obviously you can do a variety of looks, but they'll be fairly similar because of the tone, so we're just doing 2 today. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have several videos up every week. I'm very excited to have you here. Let's grow this channel. Join me and let us just dive into the looks. Ichiban lipstick woman. This smells so good. That's not a look, but it's cute. We're just priming my lips. Before we get started, I recently bought the Ordinary concealer. I'm in 1.2p. Again, I don't really use concealer too much, and this one's super thick and creamy, so you don't need a lot. But this has been the best eye primer I have used in memory. Like, I put it on, it blends seamlessly, and the colors pop and then blend really well on top of it. So just a quick shout out there. So yeah, of the 2 looks that we're doing today, I think for one, I'd like to stick to this half, and the other one this half with more of the pinks and stuff. I'm really attracted to the color Tan, which is this lovely ochre orangey color. So we're gonna try and make something work here, and then we'll proceed to that section. So first, to blend out my crease, I'm gonna go into this gorgeous taupey, beautiful shade that's right up my alley called Kiss. That's going on really beautifully. Again, blending out so nice, but I really don't know if it's this concealer, because everything I've touched since I've started using it has been like so much better. I feel like I've discovered a magical secret. All right, next we're gonna go into that gorgeous orange called Tan, and that's going on the inner corner, outer corner, and we're leaving the middle for another color, and I'll probably put some concealer on it to make it pop more. With the first brush, softening that line. Okay, so I really like the way they blend it together. That doesn't always happen really nicely, but it's quite smooth. It is a little bit of a situation I often have with Makeup Revolution, where sometimes, depending on the brush and how you use the color, it can pick up where you already put the color on, but this one's not so bad. I'm just patting it on and giving it a minute to settle, and we're moving on with our lives. Alright, next I'm going to go back in with the concealer and just add a bit more onto the center so that the sparkle shade that we're going to put on next really pops. Alright, so originally I was thinking Race Carpet, which is this gorgeous, like really warm toned gold, but that seems a bit typical to me. And Over Me, this one over here, yonder, seems really nice. I'm gonna go in with Over Me just because it's calling my name more. So it's not picking up super the best, but it's one of those like harder pressed shimmers. So I might have to go in with my finger, but let's just try it out with the brush. Woo! Whoops. And see how that goes. Yeah, it's not picking up super great with the brush. Let's try with the finger. Definitely pops more. There it is. There it is. So what I will do though is I will go into Race Car Bed after all, but I'll use that to transition out the spotlight on my eyes into the orange. I'll use a very small pointed brush just to see if that kind of helps it be a bit more defined and not too big and messy and ruin the look. Yeah, I'm quite happy with that. Although now it's a little bit over to the side, so I'm just gonna try and balance it out with my colors. Okay, I'm kind of obsessed with this look so far. That's turning out so nice. I don't know if it's the concealer. I'm gonna stop talking about it, but it's been working wonders for me for everything I've been doing lately. But wowzers, that looks so good. That blend is so nice. So we've used 4 of the 9 shades up in this section so far. What do we want to do for the bottom? I'm gonna go into Chandler's Job just to brighten the brow bone. It's a white. Let's see if it's a nice one. It's a bit more of a bone color. Cool. I don't want to go too deep on the under eye, but I need something a bit deeper, so I'm gonna go in with Yeti, which was a very funny episode that I recently rewatched for the 16th time. Ooh, nice. So I'm gonna try and focus on the outer half and then just very lightly whatever's left over, bring it in, and then we'll soften that up. With a fluffy brush, I'm just very lightly going into Dirty Day, which is this lighter nude, and blend that out a little bit more. Honestly, I really like it the way it is, but let's just see how that goes. Dang. Damn, Daniel, that's beautiful. That's beautiful. And one thing I just want to do with that same concealer brush, I like the little line, if you will. And last, the only color I won't be using is Chickenpox, which is a peachy nude, but we're going to go in with Ick, which is a light shimmery gold, and that's going on the inner corner. Ooh. All right, my friends, I am gonna finish the rest of my face off camera, and I will be right back. What is this beauty on my face? What? I am so happy with how this look turned out, especially with the lip. I did Brave Matte Soufflé by Rare Beauty and the RBK ColourPop collab top, and it just all tied in together. Lashes, obviously mascara, and what a beautiful look. What a beautiful look. I don't have much to say. I might just leave it all for my final thoughts, but I love it. I'm stunned. I feel beautiful. I don't want to take it off to film the next look. I just love it. I love how it blended. I love how it looks together. I'm very happy with this look. Let us just get going on look number 2. So for look number 2, we're going to be going into the bottom half of the palette, like I mentioned, or obviously if you're holding it this way, the right side of the palette. I'm going to dive right into the deep end, see where that takes me. I'm going to go to Cheese, which is this maroon color, and start buffing that out in the crease. Ooh, okay, it's more purple in person. Honestly, like, again, is it the concealer? It's going on so nicely. It's really, the more I take it out and blend it out, the pink is shining through. So definitely say it's like a deep purple, but it does look a bit more maroon in the pan. I will say though, like, this does not look like my eye color at all. The shadow color, you get what I'm saying. It's different in the pan than it is on the face. This is really so strange because I can blend it out so beautifully, but at the same time I can deepen it really easily just by adding more of the color back in. I feel like I have not experienced that in so long with a color, so I'm kind of blown away. I'm gonna go back into Chandler's Job at the top just to extra define my brow bone and separate the cheese, the shade. Damn. Wow. I feel like I don't even need a deeper shade to deepen it. Does that make sense? But I will. I'll go into Share Food, which is, oh, is it black? I guess it's a black, or it's a very, 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 very dark purple. And just gonna deepen that up a little bit. I'm just so impressed right now with the blendability and everything. Blendability, is that a word? We're gonna go into Dollhouse, which is, oh my god, that's stunning. That's like Aura from the Chandler palette, but in pink. Oh, perfection. I'm I'm gonna start with Jellyfish, which is this shimmery wine color, and put that on the lid and then top it with Dollhouse because I think together they're gonna be phenomenal. Oh my god, that's stunning. Why is this so beautiful? Oh! Oh man, I'm gonna go into Dollhouse with my finger just because it's the texture. You'll see what I mean if you have the palette, it'll work better. Okay, but like for real, who allowed this? I'm actually shook. Like if you watch my last video of the boys palette, you'll know I was disappointed. Spoiler alert. And I know Forever Flawless palettes are really great, but I'm blown away. I'm blown away. I'm blown away. I don't have any words. Again, hanging at the back of my mind, I'm not gonna lie, so I'll have to test it without the concealer, but I use a primer or concealer most days anyway, so that shouldn't matter, but I feel like I haven't had this quality or this blendability, making up words here, in so long. Maybe also my skills got better recently because I've been practicing a lot, but I'm shook. Like, what is this? Okay, what do we do for the bottom? We're gonna start with Ride Along. Oh no, you know what? I'm gonna go into Russ. Russ is a deep shimmery purple that's bordering on, ooh, it's kind of like brownish almost. That's gonna go here, and then we'll blend it out into Whom, which is a shimmery red. Whom is, yeah, a really gorgeous, for Christmas this would be perfect. And again, same brush because I want them to mix together. I'm actually going to bring more of Whom, that red shade, back here. So I like the way it looks. And just with a clean fluffy brush to soften the under eye. Yo, wow, yeah, that's freaking cool. Do we want pink in the inner corner as well? Ooh. Yeah, just going back into Dollhouse on its own. A little bit dramatic, but oh no, I'm spreading the glitters. I'm spreading the glitters. Nice, it is quite pink, so I'm gonna go in with Ick, again, that gold shimmery, and just go on top of it. Ooh, already love it, but let's see how it looks after I finish everything. Okay, what? I never do a dark lip, and I'm so glad that I decided to do it here because I don't have words. This is too beautiful. This is a metallic liquid lip by Jouet in the shade Clove. Oh my god. Maybe I need to start wearing deeper lipsticks. This is stunning. Oh! I am speechless. I'm obsessed. Wow. Let's just get right to my final thoughts. What do I think of this palette? Honestly, I don't think it's a surprise, but that's all. Like, I have no word. I'm literally speechless. It's not that I didn't have high expectations necessarily, but I was like, oh yeah, Forever Flawless, they're really good. I like them. Like, let's see how it plays out, but I'm blown away. I only didn't use 1, 2, 3 shades, and all of the other 15 shades have been fantastic. I have nothing negative to say. Like, look 1, look 2, stunning. Obsessed. Obsessed. End of story. They just blended, they really perfected the mattes and the shimmers in this palette, the formula. Everything blends together stunningly. And I haven't experienced this in a while with Makeup Revolution because the last couple of palettes were a little disappointing for me. But I add the color, it blends beautifully, and then if I want to build it up, it does that. And the last few palettes didn't, and I'm just so happy. I truly love this palette. It's so good, good mirror, great value. Like, if you're looking for a good, affordable, neutral palette, I cannot recommend this enough. I simply cannot. it's probably one of my favorite Forever Flawless now. And it happens to be Friends. But that being said, I don't necessarily love the cover, if that makes sense. It's a bit like meh. I feel like abstract art works better on this type of casing, but me, doesn't matter. It's what inside that counts, right? Whether you like Friends or not, I am wholeheartedly recommending this palette. It is so great. I'm just speechless. I don't know what else to say. Alright, you guys, thank you so much for watching my video. Hopefully it was fun and entertaining for you, gave you some ideas. If you haven't already, please leave this video a thumbs up. It really helps. And if you haven't, please also subscribe to my channel. I'm still new and growing, and I would really love to have you on this journey with me. I have new videos every week. I have 2 to 3 a week right now, which is crazy, but I'm trying to keep it going. Other than that, you can catch me on social media at Slavic Chic, and hopefully I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye!